Ever wondered why pizza is the only dish that everyone agrees on? From pineapple debates to the perfect crust, join me today as we unravel the mysteries behind the world's most loved and argued over comfort food. Ever dreamt of a gourmet pizza in just 1 hour without breaking the bank? Today I'll unveil a secret recipe that not only delivers a mouth-watering pizza within 60 minutes, but also saves you some serious dough, both in time and cost. Let's dive into the ultimate 1 hour pizza adventure. The secret ingredient right there, warm lager beer. Now that our pizza dough has been expertly mixed in the food processor, it's time to transform these humble ingredients into a canvas of flavour. Get ready for a hands-on journey as we shape, top and bake our way to pizza perfection in record time.
Voila.
We have enough dough for 2 full-size pizzas, so let's cut it in half. Let's roughly form it into a circle and then use 2 pieces of well-oiled parchment paper. Carefully pull back the top layer of parchment paper to reveal the well-oiled pizza below. Carefully put your hand under the dough in the steel and then flip it over. This ensures that you won't mess up your pizza dough. We're now at the point where you can use your favourite pizza sauce. It's tempting to go very heavy on the sauce here, but don't. Less is more.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
With hindsight, maybe I'd put a little bit more red sauce on this one. Don't forget to sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on there and your favourite weed from the garden. In this case I used arugula.
It's very nice. Very fresh and light.
Let's try this. Nice.
Yep.
Fish scale pattern from the genuine Domino's pizza peel. Not peel. Genuine Domino pizza. They left it in the box by mistake.
I like it.
We're now on to the second pizza using our 1 hour homemade pizza dough. Be generous with your mozzarella. In this pizza we're using a mature mozzarella. And it looks absolutely fantastic. And it has brilliant cheese pull when you take away your slice.
It's making the right noise.
The base was cooked perfectly. It went into the oven on the bottom for 5 minutes and then we moved it up halfway through. I set my oven's temperature to about 280 Celsius.
It's really good. I like this a lot. Thank you.
Gorgeous.
I'll keep this. Thank you.
I'll keep this.
Now, are you just saying that because you're recording, or is it because it's actually really good?
No, this pizza distinctly reminds me of a lot of happy memories, so I'm going to take the whole thing.
Happy memories where? Bulgaria? Ireland?
Port.
Port.
Yeah. It doesn't taste like hot food, but it reminds me of Hort. Pick the one that you think is reasonable of someone else's pizza.
Food hoarding has gotten sophisticated with Lauren.
I was thinking that this is a good piece to pick up.
Alright, here we go. Let's give it a go. Mmm. Cheese pull. I think it tastes very nice. Oh. Do you want the middle bit, yeah? Then why are you complaining about being given an edge?
Oh yeah, if you're giving me something, I'd rather have the middle.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
Better than Domino's? No, I'm not interested in like bullshit or mess.
I just enjoy all pizza. You can't compare everything to Domino's. Sometimes it's just a good pizza. Domino's isn't always good, so I don't know. I'd be happy if I got it in a restaurant or like if I ordered it. I don't know.
You'd be happy if you got that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think, baby?
Yeah. If, however, you put it in the oven with as much cheese as it had when I arrived here, I would have been upset. I don't
Good
like
night,
those
and may
pizzas
your
where you
God
can
go
see
with you.
half of the dough underneath.
I like it.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop recording. Okay.